blockchain technology has revolutionized the business world. It's a distributed ledger system that allows the secure transfer of digital data. Today, we will explore the importance of blockchain and how to create a successful blockchain business idea. To create a successful blockchain business, we must identify areas where blockchain technology can be best utilized. This requires extensive research and identifying opportunities for innovation within existing industries. The research can be done across various platforms to discover latest and upcoming trends, including Google News and Google Scholar database, by using relevant keywords. For developing a concept, brainstorming potential ideas is the next step. We need to evaluate the feasibility and potential of each idea that meets the identified need. For testing and refining the idea, market research is vital to validate the concept. Gathering feedback from potential customers and industry experts could refine the idea based on feedback and market research findings. To create a business plan and bring the idea to fruition, we need to outline the business model and revenue streams. Creating a marketing strategy and identifying necessary resources and team members are also essential. It can be concluded that to summarize the key steps to creating a successful blockchain business idea, we must identify areas where blockchain technology can be best utilized, develop a concept, test, and refine the idea, create a business plan, and bring the idea to life. Let's encourage everyone to pursue their blockchain ideas and turn them into a reality.